Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Really getting in the swing of things now. I'm really enjoying doing this and I am so grateful to all of you that are giving me thumbs up or commenting or subscribing. So let's jump right into the video. I've been waiting on this order for a while now, so I thought I would share it with you now that it's finally arrived. Yes. Oh, I look like a Huda Beauty palette. Here's my order. Just get rid of that. So there's 3 things in my order. These are things that I've bought myself. We are not that famous yet. So the first thing I ordered was more of the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum, and I've already managed to get makeup on it. Well done, Ria. I love this stuff. I usually put this on twice a day, once in the morning and once in the afternoon, before I put on my normal moisturizer. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I'm spot prone and have combination skin, and this is a godsend. And it's so cheap. Like, how is it so cheap? Please don't put your prices up. But yeah, so excited to have this because it ran out ages ago and my skin has really missed it. So that's the first item. So I found something out the other day that's actually shook me to my core. You probably already knew this, but I feel like it's my duty to share this information with the world. So we were out doing our shop and my boyfriend suggested we get a couple of loaves of bread because of everything that's going on. So I was like, yeah, sure, okay. He eats bread like a maniac. He is like, bread. So we got this extra loaf of bread and I was like, we can just put it in the freezer and have toast. To which he looked at me and he was like, yeah, or we could just put it in the freezer and have bread. Okay, so in my head I thought that once you've frozen bread, that's it. Like, you know when you freeze other things, you have to cook it once you unfreeze it. You can't just unfreeze it and eat it. It has to be cooked. So I thought it was the same with bread. So I just assumed that when you freeze bread, you'd have to make toast or something with it afterwards when you get it out of the freezer. And my boyfriend literally looked at me as if I was the stupidest person on earth. He was literally like, no, Rian, you can just defrost it and have it as bread. Did other people know this? Is this like a thing? Because I did not realise this was a thing. Where do other people get their like grown-up information? Am I the only one? Please comment below on this story and let me know that I'm not the only one who didn't realise this was a thing. If it turns out I am the only one who didn't know this is a thing, please be nice. I can't help being stupid, it's not my fault. The second item that I ordered, I am so excited about. I have been needing some new eye brushes forever. I've got all of mine here. They all need a bit of a wash. They're all a bit abused and gunky. So I thought I would treat myself and get some new brushes. And on Cult Beauty, they had a Morphe eye set that had 6 brushes in it, so I ordered it. I'm just gonna get it out of the plastic. why the plastic was necessary. Okay, so these are the brushes that I ordered. It's the Eye Stunners 6-piece eye brush collection and a bag. I didn't know they came in a bag, and this is very exciting. More exciting than it should be, but I've been inside for a while now. Okay, so in this we have, can she read? In this set we have an oval shadow brush, a crease fluff brush, a deluxe blender brush, a pencil crease brush, a bent liner brush, an angle liner spoolie brush, and a small black bag. Exhibit A. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you can see them in the plastic because it's shining, but I'll go ahead and take them out. So I'm guessing this is the spoolie and angled brush. I do already have one of these, but I feel like that's my eyebrow one and this can be my eye one. I could really use this flat little angled brush to do some cute cut creases, and the spoolie can be for my eyelashes. Ooh. This is exciting. So here we've got a fluffy brush. This feels good. I'm excited to use these. Then we have another fluffy brush. I cannot wait because my brushes are so abused. I've had them forever. I can't remember the last time I bought an eyeshadow brush, which is so bad. And this set was actually, I don't think it was very expensive. I think it was like £20. I can put links to them in the description below if anyone's interested in buying these products. I got them all on Cult Beauty. I don't have anything like this. It's quite a flat but thick brush. I'm just going to be really good for packing on products, or it might actually even be good for concealer. So many options. And then another brush that I don't have anything like it is this bad boy. So it's more pointed and really tiny, and this is going to be really good for doing some more detailed work. It'll be really good for under my eyes, doing that crease like I said. I am very, very pleased with this one. And then finally, something I'm probably not going to use that much, but it came in the set, so here she is this angled liner brush. I use liner pens and I'm not that good at eyeliner, so I feel like going freehand with this bad boy is going to be way beyond my skill level. I'm going to have to do some practicing before we whip this out on camera, I think. But yeah, so these are my cute little brushes. This bag is huge, by the way. Like, these 6 tiny brushes in this bag. But I ain't complaining. It can be my new brush bag. I'll fit all the brushes that I own in here. my sad little collection. Be good for traveling, for when I'm, you know, going places and need my brushes with me. So yes, very pleased with this. Can't wait to film the next video and be able to get these bad boys out. And now the main event. So the last thing that I ordered, and the thing that I've wanted the most for so long, oh my god, yes, it's the Morphe 35B palette. So if you watched my previous video, you'll see that I got quite a colourful palette as a birthday present off a friend, which I am so grateful for. It's gorgeous. But before I even knew that was on its way, I ordered this. Because I literally don't have anything colourful, and I wanted to be giving you guys some more looks, so I thought, why not? Oh my god. Oh. I could cry. Why is it so pretty? I haven't even looked inside yet. I'm crying over a black eyeshadow palette, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna try and keep the plastic up so you can see the names, but it might... Everyone. Ooh. Can we? What? I have no words. I am so happy with this, and I cannot wait to try and film with this. Oh my god, we could do like a video for every colour of the rainbow and do a look with every like colour. So we could do like a yellow, then like a corally pinky, then more orangey, then like pinky purple, green, purple, blue. Oh my god, so many options. I feel like my head's gonna explode. My precious. I am so happy. Like, can we just... And again, this is not even that expensive. Like, so when we're talking about all our Anastasia palettes, our Huda Beauty palettes, we're talking like we're dropping £50, like 50 quid on it. Where this palette was £24 on Cult Beauty and has 35 colours, and they're amazing. I couldn't ask for more. I cannot wait to do a look with that for you guys. If you have any ideas about how you want me to use this in a look, please comment below and I will do that for my next video. So that's the end of the video, guys. Just a couple of purchases that I got from Cult Beauty, and I am so happy with them. I cannot wait to make another order. I'm always browsing Cult Beauty. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I love it. I am so obsessed, and I can't even wait. So I think I'm gonna go and play with my new purchases. See you next time, guys. Love ya.